Hi everyone, it's James Orton. I'm back with another edition of What They're Not Telling You. Now these are things that you might not hear in other car reviews. Let's just start with where they are built. The CX5 is from Japan and the CX50 is built right here in the United States in Alabama. The cost difference, $1,730 between the two. The CX5 comes in at $29,990 MSRP and the CX50 at $31,720 with base paints. You want to consider the ride difference between the two. The handling, suspensions are different. CX5 will offer more of a plush ride due to its very refined, fully independent suspension, while the CX50 is equipped with a torsion beam rear suspension and may not seem as compliant over bumps as CX5. As we consider the handling and its track width, the CX5 is set to 62.8 front and 62.8 in the rear, while CX50 is set to a 64.9 front and a 65.1, which is a wider stance and asymmetrical setup. This can offer a sense of better turn-in and feel and stability. Moving to the fuel tank and capacity there, capacity for the CX5 is 15.3 gallons and the CX50 is only 14.5 gallons. Let's take a look at some more numbers for the CX5 in with its front headroom. For CX5, it's more front headroom offered at 39.7 inches with no reduction if a moonroof is added, and 39.1 inches on the CX50 with a reduction of less than an inch if the panoramic moonroof is added. Rear headroom for CX5 is also greater by just a bit, coming in at 39.1 inches. Versus CX50 at 38.6. Every bit matters when you have tall passengers. Let's move to the rear seat legroom of the two and we find that they are nearly the same, but the CX50 is considered more with 39.8 inches available of legroom versus the CX5 at 39.6. As it pertains to the rear cargo space, the CX50 is thought to have more space at 31.4 cubic feet versus the CX5 at 29.1 cubic feet. However, the tailgate opening on the CX5 is wider, and with the seats laid down, the CX5 offers the greatest amount of space at 58.1 cubic feet. On appearance, the CX5 is simple, elegant, and pleasant, while the CX50 offers a more rugged, sporty, and aggressive appearance. Interior features will differ in technology and usability, even in cup holder placement and driving position. The CX5 also uses a slightly older tech for infotainment and wireless connectivity and dashboard instrumentation, such as the digital speed readout would be standard on CX50 and not available on the CX5 unless you go to the active driving display offered on Premium Plus. Also, the Bose sound system offered in the CX5 is different from that in the CX50. In my opinion, the CX50 has the low-end bass response that I like more. Seat comfort may be a bit softer in the CX5 as well as a more lateral entry and exit, whereas the CX50 may be an entry downward and could be thought as a little bit stiffer of a seat cushion. When we talk about interior technology, MazdaCX50 has the ability to record the heated seats position to the automatic climate control, which CX5 cannot. I hope you enjoyed that look at the CX5 and CX50 as we compared them both, and I hope you picked up something that you didn't know about one of the products. With that, have a great day, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.